Our diets hold the key to filling and living a healthy and vibrant life, and understanding the types of nutrients provided in different foods can help prevent and even cure many health issues. Nature offers many medicinal properties that will help to heal you naturally, and this week I'm excited to be sharing with you a wonderful recipe using Mod Blend Pro, which effortlessly creates smoothies, ice cream, soups and ground ingredients all at the touch of a button. And this week I'm making you a smoothie, and I'm starting off with one baby beetroot and a couple of beetroot leaves. This lovely vegetable helps stimulate functions of the liver and keep it healthy. And the nutrients it contains can help fight chronic diseases. It also has high levels of vitamin C, which assists with respiratory problems, including asthma. Next, I'm adding half of a honeydew melon. This gorgeous fruit contains vitamins B6, which helps improve memory and mood, and is great for cooling you down in the summer because of its high water content. Next, I have a teaspoon of honey filled with antibacterial and antifungal properties that are beneficial for both internal and external purposes. And the rest of the ingredients include 1 cup of chopped, raw or blanched pumpkin, a tablespoon of avocado, and 1 cup of ice, and a cup of filtered water. Not only do I find Mod Blend Pro a beautiful design, it also has innovative blending technology and boasts a powerful commercial grade 3.5 horsepower motor. It includes 5 intelligent preset programs, instant pulse and touch swipe multi-power, all effortlessly controlled from a digital display. It is a lovely blender, easy to clean, and can blend any fruit, vegetable, herb or root. For more information, visit Mod Appliances website at modappliances.com. Oh wow, this is just perfect, and it's all made with Mod Blend Pro. For more of my great recipes, you'll find them in my Healthy Habits Smoothies books, which are available online or in store. Enjoy and see you next time.